When in Japan, syempre need natin ng tech haul. This is from Audio-Technica's ATH series and here it is unboxed. The case has a transparent glass finish pero feel ko prone to sa scratches. The bud itself however is really nice kaya natrang ako dito nung tinitingnan ko siya sa Bic. It reminds me of that Gundam finish pero looks sleek and definitely gugustuhin mo masuot. The fitting is nice and you get that buo na base pero something na napansin ko is pag nagpi-play ka ng high frequency or yung mga malabasag na tunog sa TikTok, maririnig mo na magra-rattle yung buds which is negative point especially para sa price niya. It really looks nice din pag suot mo and ang swerte kasi talagang kakulay niya yung CMF ko right now. It does come with an app para matweak mo siya and ang isang napansin kong auto which is really nice is pag nakatanggap ka ng call, it switches to hear it or talk through mode para aware ka kung masyadong malakas ang boses mo or not. And a nifty feature is, meron din siyang wireless charging and this bud is somewhat hard to find locally pero if you have the opportunity na kahit matest out mo lang, I suggest you try it out.